2023 upgrade version, smaller, the sticker label maker is half the weight and size of the traditional label maker. More clear, DPI increased by 25% for a more precise image. Fast rechargeable, built-in battery, Type-C fast recharge, and long working time. With cutter for easy cut labels. Multiple label templates, Phomemo thermal label maker provide a wide variety of pre-designed templates or design labels from 1000 plus symbols, 60 plus frames, and a variety of fonts, convenience, and saves time. Label size from 0.24 to 0.47 inch, great for the price tag, cable identification, personal item identification, food date marking, and more. High quality printing, the label maker machine provides superior print clarity resulting in hassle-free printing, high quality crisp, dark imaging, smooth printing effects, and fast processing. Make personalized labels. Can design and print labels from a smartphone or tablet when connected to a Bluetooth wireless network using the free Print Master Design and Print app. Save money, this D35 Bluetooth label printer use